How to leave Snapchat group chat. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera section, right? Now, so what you're gonna do next is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Click on the chats here. And here you have to choose the group chat that you want to leave. So let's say this group chat here. So what you're gonna do is to click on that group chat and then on the upper here or the your group's name here on the top, click on that and it will lead you here to the group information, and then on the right side, upper right, you'll see three dots. Click on the three dots and here you will see the very first option, leave group. Click on that, and here it will ask you to confirm that you want to leave this group. So as you can see here, leaving this group will also remove you from its story. Snaps and chats you've sent will be cleared and any charms you've hidden will be restored. So tap on leave. And basically that is it. You have now successfully left your Snapchat group chat, and that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.